I need a refill. This is serious stuff.
No, I'm good.
Cheers, baby.
I'm good. No, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Glad she can. What do you mean?
Are you serious right now? Is that the reason you let him beat you in the quarter mile? That was a baby gift.
No, that's messed up.
Was
Baby gift, huh?
I have no idea what they're talking about.
What happened to the pull-out method, man?
Toast.
Toast.
Most important thing in life will always be the people in this room. Right here. Right now. Salute me, familia.
Salute.